Alright guys, we're back with another video today. Part 3 of the engine, what is it, rebuild? We'll say rebuild. So today, Troy got in his lovely downpipes. Troy, say hey to the camera. My name is Jeff. Alright, here they are. VRSF quality. That's how you know you're rich, when you start buying VRSF. Troy's a big dick baller, you just don't tell nobody. Those are actually pretty nice bolts. Why is one bigger? Uh-oh. That don't look like the right bolt, my man. Shitty quality. Thank you, VRSF. Sponsor us. The fuck, VRSF? What is your problem? The fuck is that supposed to go through? It's like my penis. It just doesn't work out. But yeah, we're gonna get moving on this thing. Today our checklist is downpipes, coolant. One of the copper fittings for the power steering rack line is bad, so we're gonna replace it. And then power steering fluid, and then we're just gonna let it idle for like 30-35 minutes. Let it warm up, let the oil get all the gunk out of it, and then we're gonna drop the oil, change the oil, and put a new oil.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen.
Live on 69. Alright, so we got the downpipes in, got the O2s lined up and everything. We started it, it runs fine, but he's got a big coolant leak. So we are on hold until we get another coolant line.
Fucking 54, bro.
What about you, Najee?
Fuck BMW's, period.
BMWs are the best cars ever made. Period.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Says the one that's driving a fucking fast BMW.
Alright, well we're about to go see Max's Sylvia. It's done. Maybe we'll catch that on camera. Alright, day number 865. We got the coolant line we needed. Here she is, old Betsy. She's ready to run today. She's ready to be doing burnouts. We're gonna fucking send it today. We're gonna bring that clutch in right. We're gonna stage 2 tune it. We're gonna fucking light them up. But right out here, that brand new motor.
What do you think, Troy? How you feeling? Big day, bro. Been waiting for like 6 months.
Nervous.
Yeah. About to disconnect the old coolant lines and stuff.
Just one coolant line. That's the only one leaking.
Yeah. And then get the new one on there. What you think, for it should be a success?
Should be pretty easy.
Yeah.
We already cleaned everything on this engine, so shouldn't have any problem sealing. This one's broke. That's the reason why. See? Look at it.
I don't know if you guys can see it. It's hard, but this one looks it's broken.
So to save ourselves some time, we're just gonna cut it right here and then remount the other one on.
Where are you gonna cut it?
Like right here.
And now I'm cutting it to take that.
Because I don't want to have to redo it from the water pump. Because there's not much room down there, so just gonna cut this off because this other one that we bought comes off with a clip. The seal, this is the seal that we need. So he'll just have an extra hose laying around. Yeah, see, that's all we need right here. Old, new. See how that plastic tab's broke? Yeah.
That's it.
Looks like somebody with fucked up teeth was chewing on it.
Alright, so Corey got the new one on there, new seal on there, and now we're bolting it back up, and we're gonna pour some coolant in there. Where's the coolant at? Pour some coolant in and see what happens. What's going on, Corey?
Just gotta run some new lines, hook up the fan. We'll probably run these new lines first.
Nasty bitch. He's over there, gas crop dusting the whole place.
You gotta pass it, you gotta pass it. I'm not around any women, I don't give a fuck. Okay? Alright, so we're moving now. We got filled with coolant, we fixed the power steering rack lines, and we're about to start her up and let her run for a little bit. I just want to make sure nothing else is leaking before I stick the fan back in and have to go through ripping that out again. So, give her a crank, JD. Give her the nuts. Hold it. See that, Dad? Come on, bitch. You're smart. You're loyal. You're beautiful. DJ Khalid. Here she is. Got some big stuff coming very soon. Troy's going to be around for that. Hopefully JD will be too. Both of their channels are going to be down below. Follow all your boys. Get the good action. You know? Free titties all day long. Who needs OnlyFans? You got that shit right here. Well, we'll see y'all later. Peace.
Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins,